Since 2016, I've been trading on and reviewing cryptocurrency exchanges, and these are my top 7 picks for this year. If you trade, buy or sell crypto, you must use an exchange. Therefore, it is crucial you use the right exchange to prevent losing your crypto like those who did during the FTX crash. Let me start by asking these inside crypto guys what they consider when selecting a cryptocurrency exchange. What up, guys?
Hi, Jude.
So what do you look out for when you want to choose a crypto exchange to trade with?
Okay, so for me, I basically look out for the transaction fee on the exchange platform.
So transaction fee?
Yeah, customer review.
Customer review?
Yeah, the method of deposit and withdrawal.
So are you looking at the fiat deposits or crypto deposits?
Both the fiat and the crypto deposits.
So what are you looking for in any of these deposits?
In method of deposit, we have the P2P method, and which is actually the only way for Nigerians to actually transact buy crypto. Meanwhile, for the crypto deposits, the method of the network in which I can be able to deposit through that exchanges. You know, some people actually have different network, and some people their network are limited. So I actually choose the ones that actually have varieties of network that can actually deposit. Maybe, for example, I may actually have only USDT on Arbitrum network, and for Binance actually don't accept USDT on Arbitrum network, but Bybit does. So maybe I only have USDT on Arbitrum network on my wallet, and I don't want to bridge. I can just go to Bybit and transfer it to Bybit immediately without actually bridging or any other thing.
So exchanges with multiple network that gives you a variety of options is another thing you consider.
Yeah.
Okay, I also look out for the UI and UX of the exchange.
UI UX, so that is user interface and user experience.
I also look out for the amount of coins they have on their platform. So some exchanges are limited to the amount of tokens listed, whereas there are some exchanges that has quite a lot of tokens, especially gem coins, which could make you a lot of money, basically.
Yeah. I think that's actually one thing I look out to. You know, because if I want to, maybe I have a call like this, an altcoin call. It might not be on Binance, but it might be on Bybit. It might not be on Bybit, and it might be on MEXC. So sometimes like that, I have to go and create an account on different exchanges just to buy this particular coin. So for me, I look up to that.
So the number of coins.
Not even number, the type of coin there.
I also look out for the popularity of the exchange. How popular is it? How much are people talking about this particular exchange?
Yeah, how many people are actually using these exchanges? How many people are actually talking about these exchanges? So that's actually one of the things I actually look. Yeah. For also, I can actually talk about the security. You know, security is very important. How secure is the platform? Like some of us actually have high hopes on Binance. So if I'm to say, have high hopes on Binance that, you know, the way especially their CEO, they come out, talk all the time, and you know, give users a kind of assurance that nothing is actually happening to your money. You know, people actually have high hopes on Binance. I think that's why Binance actually always booming, because they are making their stand there. So we check on things like that.
So the CEO on the team. What about proof of reserve? Do you consider proof of reserve?
Okay, so for me, I basically don't look out for proof of reserve. I know most trusted exchange, and I just do business with those exchanges. Nothing about proof of reserve.
So how do you know they are trusted?
I've been using them for quite some years, so I feel like these persons are not going to fail me.
Well, that's it. Many people have been using FTX for months.
I never used FTX for one day.
Okay.
I never used it for one day.
Many people have been using
What of customer service and verification?
Yeah, it's actually very, very important to look out for, because if you're not getting a good customer service, obviously it's bad for me. I think the final thing I look out for is the futures on their platform. So if they actually have spot trading, futures, staking, and other passive income mechanisms like that, I think it's actually a good is a good tick for me, actually.
Thank you guys for this.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us, Jude.
Now, this is the brief recap. The things they mentioned include speed of transaction, excellent UI, UX, customer review and rating, transaction fees, trading options, which include futures, sports, margin, and so on, public perception, speedy KYC verification, and helpful customer support, how many coins are listed on the exchange, how active are their founders and staffs, P2P, because without it, you can actually get your Naira into the exchange, the total number of users on the exchange, and I will add proof of reserve and the various order type they have on the exchange. Now, I have brought up 16 different exchanges. Let's see the 7 that will rank top in my list. Now, my top cryptocurrency exchanges in no particular order include Bybit, Kucoin, Binance, OKS, Gate.io, Bitget, and Huobi. And this is why. These exchanges all have a spot market, a futures market, and an earn market. They all have P2P in addition to other deposits and withdrawal method, making it suitable for countries that are not crypto friendly. Their basic spot trading fee is 0.1%. It's that small, apart from Gate.io and Huobi that charges 0.2%. This, however, is a standard fee. If you hold their native token, the exchange can give you discounts on the fees. It will be much lower. Now, if you have any issues or inquiry or query, there is a 24/7 customer support on these exchanges to attend to you. Now, in terms of the number of users, Binance takes the lead with over 30 million registered users, followed by OKS at 20 million, and the rest are about 10 million each. Binance is also taking the lead in terms of their trade volume with over $70 billion traded each day, both in the futures and the spot market. The next is Bybit at 11.4 billion, then OKX and the rest of them. This data is according to CoinMarketCap. Today, 3rd of February 2023. All these exchanges have a DeFi wallet besides Bitget, Kucoin, and Huobi, and they all have proof of reserve and an NFT marketplace. I'm telling you the reason why they are in my top 7, but I use some of them more depending on the coin I want to buy, trade, or sell. I mostly use the first 4 and occasionally use the rest of them. I also keep testing out new exchanges to see if there is something new, and of course there's always something new. Wait for my mentions at the end of this video. But these things I've mentioned are not the only thing that distinguishes these exchanges. Let's take a closer look at what or the things that distinguish them from each other. And if you are in the US, you cannot use any of these exchanges because you guys are in a world of your own, but I'll tell you exchanges you can use at the end of this video for those that stay in the US. Going back to the more details, Bybit is the exchange I use most of the time. It is registered in Singapore. It is a popular choice for advanced traders, and its copy trading is one of the best. They also have leverage that you can use to mine liquidity. No other exchange have this, and they have the second largest futures market and lots of other products that can use to earn passive income within the exchange. In addition, they support more network than any other exchange. This is what I mean. So if I receive USDT, say in the Ethereum network, I can send it out in Arbitrum, Solana, and different other network. They have it more than any other exchange. The next is for OKX. The headquarters is in Seychelles, and what attracted me to OKX is the rich order type. The trailing order type on OKX is the first in a cryptocurrency exchange, and I really enjoyed using it. If you're a trader, the OKX app allows you to create a community, communicate with them, and send them signals all within the app. They also offer a demo account and give real money to the top demo traders. The OKX Web3 wallet is in my own opinion, the best out there. Now, Binance needs no introduction because it is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world by trade volume. Just look at the sheer number of users against other exchanges. Look at the trading volume against other exchanges. There's only one feature that Binance doesn't have that are present in other exchanges, which is copy trading. But aside this, Binance has a lot of other bigger, better, and even more features. It even have a Binance card you can use to shop around the world, Binance Taxi, Binance Pay for merchants, airtime purchase, and so many other things. Bitget is registered in Singapore and it is the pioneer of copy trading and still on top when it comes to the copy trading market. Many benefits comes with holding the Bitget token, BGP, such as access to the launch pool and launchpad. You can make money while sleeping by using the Bitget earn section. Now, I have copied a trader for 30 days on Bitget. I'll make a video to show my results soon, so make sure you subscribe to see that video. Another exchange with a headquarter in Seychelles is Kucoin. Kucoin has one of the best trading bots on an exchange. I think they are the first exchange to have a trading bot. In addition to trading cryptocurrency on Kucoin, you can also trade ETF and tokenize NFT. If you are a miner, you can also link up with Kucoin and mine with them. For Get.io, the reason I signed up with them in the first place was actually because of the number of coins they have listed on the platform. They were the first exchange among the ones I've mentioned to list new coins as fast as it comes out. So if you want to trade a coin that is currently hot in the market, just go and get an account with Gate.io. However, the problem with listing new coins is that you quickly see them delisted. They also provide cloud mining services, copy trading, and a variety of strong passive income products. I'll be honest here, I don't use Huobi very often, but I know a lot of people who do. Huobi has a sizable selection of listed coins as well. They keep an excellent, well-organized record of your account activity. So you can always go back in time to see how your trading has performed on Huobi. You can make money from their frequent airdrop campaign and get a lot of reward for doing something as simple as just logging into your account. Huobi will reward you for merely holding the Huobi token. There are other exchanges that are worth mentioning. One is MEXC. I'm currently using their Infinity Trading bot, and I'll make a video after 30 days to show you my results and how I am doing it. MEXC is another exchange. If you're looking for coins that will moon, just open an account with MEXC. But note that most coins that moons also dumps. For WhiteBIT, what I like about WhiteBIT is their excellent user experience and user interface. And they are on track to become Europe's biggest cryptocurrency exchange. If you live in the US, like I said, you cannot use any of these exchanges that I've mentioned, but the ones you can use include Coinbase, Kraken, Bitfinex, Bitstamp, Binance.ux, and Gemini. All links are in the description. And don't forget you can join my membership class here on YouTube for less than $5. Just click on the join button to gain access. Now you know the best exchanges to use. If you want to learn how to start trading, then you should watch this next video.